gonna intro?
No.
Oh, welcome back to the Luci. This is a PBA, PWBA mixed tournament. So I'm bowling with Madison. And today's the practice session. So today we're kind of figuring out what we're gonna do on the lanes, how we're gonna attack them, and then hopefully take that game plan into the weekend, because we bowl on Saturday, today is Thursday, and you guys will watch this video on Friday. So yeah, here's the practice session. How was practice?
It was okay. Really thought I was going to go in with the mindset of just throwing my infinite, not throwing my infinite. I think I'm going to start off with my IQ Tour, then maybe my Fate, maybe Absolute, maybe my IQ Ruby if it gets to that point, but I don't think I'm going to get less than that.
And I got one last run with my purple slammer here. So that's what we're doing. Or my dark web hybrid looked pretty good and my stealth looked all right. So out of the 9 balls that I brought, those are my options, and hopefully one of them works. That's the goal. And now we're gonna go have a little bit of fun the rest of the day, because we got, it's only 3 o'clock, so we got plenty of time to enjoy our time in Houston. So watch us do that for the next 30 seconds of this vlog.